Hello everyone, this is Amrita and you're watching Tech Sati. A few weeks back, Vivo launched its latest V23e in Nepal. The phone was heavily marketed to be a camera star, and it all makes sense considering its 50MP AF selfie camera. However, this phone stands out in a lot of aspects, and in this video we have highlighted 5 such. Number 1. Body and design. I think the design and grip of this phone is really underrated because just look at how beautiful this is. It has a very comfortable grip because of the metal framing on its sideways, which further prevents phone from slipping away from your hands. The phone is ultra slim with 7.36mm thickness. So aesthetic and comfort both find a balance. Number 2. Battery and charging. This phone packs a 4050 mAh non-removable battery, which is further paired with an 44-watt fast charger. The V23e uses a USB Type-C charger to juice the battery up, and it takes about an hour for the phone to fully charge itself, thanks to its flash charge feature. Number 3. Extended RAM feature. Yes, although this phone comes with an 8GB RAM, you can actually extend it up to 12GB. In order to manage that, this phone uses an extended 2.0 RAM technology. This makes Vivo V23e actually better for long-term use and ensures a faster performance. You can actually open so many apps at the same time without experiencing a lag. Number 4. Selfie camera. This phone has an amazing rear camera, but its selfie camera is what makes it stand out. As discussed earlier, Vivo V23e features a 50MP selfie camera. Starting from the V23e, Vivo has introduced a new eye autofocus mode which identifies individual eyes with exceptional precision and allows users to capture beautiful moments in a second. Adding to this, the V23e features AI Extreme Night Portrait and Multi-Style Portrait to give crisp, clear selfies at all times. Similarly, this phone also enhances the shooting experiences through double exposure mode, upgraded dual view mode, and steady face selfie video. Number 5. Fun Touch OS. Vivo V23e is an all-rounder in many aspects, including its operating system. It uses Fun Touch OS based on Android 11, and honestly it is very decluttered and clean. I think this is a significant improvement because the company was previously dreaded for its poor software. The current user interface is really minimal and easy to use. So to conclude, I think Vivo has made significant improvements on itself and is no longer a winner just in terms of camera. I believe Vivo V23e is an awesome addition to the Nepali market because its camera is fantastic, the UI is minimal, the battery is good and whatnot. So we will also be publishing a detailed review of this phone soon on our YouTube channel. That's why until then, subscribe to Tech Sati and hit the bell button.